Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Khalifa Yusuf, your favorite pencil artist. Today I'm going to show you guys how to write the Arabic calligraphy of the name of our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Just as you can see. And you don't need much for this drawing. All you need is a marker, an ink pen, pencil, a ruler, and a cleaner. If you are new to my channel, please do ensure you subscribe to my channel because I upload important contents and tips on how to draw. Thank you.
Ka sani ina koya mutane da yake zane ta YouTube. Dutse za ka samu mai asali. So guys, here we are, and we are going to need a marker, permanent marker for this, a pencil, any pencil will work, and a ruler. I also use an ink pen or any black biro. So let's start working. So use your ruler to draw a straight line, like I've already done. So we are going to draw another straight line. Or let's 14. Yeah, roll it up. Now from this point, 4. From this point, 4. Then now from this point to, let's just say 28 or 27. 27. Where is that? Then divide it into 2 equal parts. 27 divided by 2, guys, we have 10, we have 3.5, 13.5, 13.5, 13.5, 13.5. Then lightly. So now this point to divide it into 2 equal parts. 14 divided by 2, that is 8. And 14 divided by 2, that is 7. 7. 7. Yeah, we do it. Now after having this box, from this point, just 1 point here, to this point. Now from this point to this point. That's our step 1. Our step 2, from this point, draw a straight line, a curved line like this. Now from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. Now from this point straight, just like this. Now from this point we have something like this. Now second step is to duplicate what we have. Just duplicate, keep duplicating. I also use a ruler for this step. Now we clean the excess. Clean the excess. I'll use a marker or the ink pen. Anyone will work for this next step. Just shade. Start with the outline before filling. Always start with the outline. After you are done with this, then we fill.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do ensure you do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next